I was going to do a video outside, so let's get right to it. Oh god, I froze. Should I continue or restart? I don't know. That tasted like alphagetti. The sun was too hot for me. Kiki, do you love me? I don't know where my mom is. Mom! My brother punched me in the tit. I lost the cover to my soda. Oh my god. That is not the right cover.